Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Realme 11. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to tap on the same steps in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and click on Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung device. Now Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Realme. Finally, you can use all of those categories available at the top of Samsung to choose all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on Realme. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Realme's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input key section and type in all of those numbers in the same order. Lastly, to connect, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!